Building a house is a significant investment. Choosing the right contractor is crucial to ensure a successful project. A reliable contractor can turn your dream house into a reality without unnecessary stress. Researching potential contractors is the first step. Check their references and portfolios to ensure their credibility. Setting a realistic budget is crucial. Understand the cost estimates and consider potential additional expenses. Establishing a clear timeline is key. Regular communication with your contractor can ensure timely completion. Quality control is essential. Regular inspections and communication with your contractor can ensure high-quality workmanship and materials. Understanding legal aspects is crucial. Make sure to review contracts, obtain necessary permits, and discuss insurance requirements with your contractor. In conclusion, hiring a reliable contractor involves careful research, budgeting, timeline management, quality control, and understanding legal considerations.